Hello garden lovers, welcome back to the Garden Decor Designs channel, where we help you cultivate beauty and bounty right at home. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's revolutionized gardening for countless enthusiasts: the container vegetable garden. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Whether you have a sprawling patio or just a tiny balcony, growing your own fresh produce in containers is not only achievable, but also incredibly rewarding. As a real home decor and design expert, I'm here to share practical, actionable insights to transform your small space into a thriving edible oasis. Let's begin by defining precisely what we mean by a container vegetable garden. In essence, container vegetable garden is the practice of cultivating edible plants, such as vegetables, herbs, and even some fruits, exclusively within various types of containers rather than directly in the ground. These containers can range from traditional terracotta pots and plastic planters to repurposed items like barrels, grow bags, or even old tires. The core idea is to provide a self-contained growing environment for each plant or a small group of plants, offering mobility and precise control over growing conditions. This method is particularly popular in urban settings, on balconies, patios, rooftops, or any area where traditional in-ground gardening space is limited or the native soil is unsuitable. It's about bringing the garden to you, wherever you may be. Now, let's explore the substantial benefits that a container vegetable garden offers. The advantages extend far beyond simply making gardening possible in small spaces. Firstly, space maximization is paramount. For those living in apartments, condominiums, or homes with limited yard space, container gardening is often the only viable option for growing fresh produce. It allows you to utilize vertical space and even transform overlooked corners into productive growing areas. Secondly, you gain unparalleled control over soil conditions. Unlike in-ground gardens, where you're at the mercy of existing soil composition, with containers, you can create the ideal soil mix for your specific plants. This means you can amend the potting mix for optimal drainage, nutrient content, and pH, leading to healthier and more productive plants. You can easily adjust the soil to suit plants with different requirements, all within the same small footprint. Thirdly, pest and disease management becomes significantly easier. When plants are isolated in containers, it's simpler to identify and address pest infestations or signs of disease before they spread throughout an entire garden bed. You can also physically move affected plants away from healthy ones, or even indoors, to mitigate issues. Furthermore, many soil-borne diseases that can plague in-ground gardens are less of a concern in fresh, sterile potting mix. Fourthly, portability and flexibility are major assets. You can move your containers to optimize sunlight exposure throughout the day or season, shelter plants from harsh weather, or even bring tender plants indoors during colder months. This adaptability extends your growing season and allows for a dynamic garden layout that can change with your needs and aesthetic preferences. Finally, container gardening often involves less physical labor compared to traditional gardening. There's less digging, weeding is significantly reduced, and raised containers can make gardening more accessible for individuals with mobility challenges, as there is less bending required. It's a highly efficient and often more manageable approach to growing your own food. Designing a container vegetable garden that is both productive and visually appealing is where your expertise in home decor comes into play. It's about blending functionality with aesthetics. The first step is to consider your containers themselves. Don't just settle for standard plastic pots. Explore a variety of materials like terracotta, glazed ceramic, metal, wood, or even fabric grow bags. Mix and match shapes and sizes, but strive for a cohesive look by sticking to a limited color palette or a specific style, such as rustic, modern, or Mediterranean. Repurposed items like old galvanized tubs or wooden crates can add character and a unique touch. Ensure all containers have adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Next, focus on plant selection and arrangement. Think about the thriller, filler, and spiller concept often used in ornamental container design. For edibles, a thriller could be a tall tomato plant or a vining cucumber on a trellis, providing vertical interest. Fillers would be bushier, plants that fill out the middle, such as peppers, kale, or bush beans. Spillers could be trailing herbs like prostrate rosemary or vining nasturtiums that cascade over the container's edge. Varying leaf textures, colors, and plant heights creates visual depth and interest. For instance, the deep green of kale, alongside the vibrant red of a pepper plant with some trailing oregano, makes for a delightful combination. Grouping containers can also elevate your design. Instead of scattering pots haphazardly, arrange them in clusters. Use varying heights within these groupings by placing some pots on stands, inverted pots, or small tables. This creates a more intentional and impactful display. Consider placing larger, more substantial containers at the back or center of a grouping to anchor the arrangement. Vertical gardening solutions are invaluable for both space-saving and aesthetic appeal. Utilize vertical planters, wall-mounted pockets, or trellises for vining plants. This not only maximizes your growing area, but also adds an architectural element to your garden. A well-designed vertical herb garden, for example, can be both practical and a beautiful focal point. Finally, don't overlook accessories and staging. A small garden bench, a decorative watering can, or even a string of outdoor lights can enhance the overall ambiance. Keep the area around your containers tidy and free of clutter. The aim is to create an inviting and harmonious space that reflects your personal style and makes you want to spend time there. What are the best vegetables for a container vegetable garden? Choosing the right vegetables is crucial for success in container gardening, as some varieties are naturally better suited to confined spaces. You want to select plants that are either compact, have shallow root systems, or are determinate, meaning they grow to a certain size and then stop, rather than indeterminate varieties that keep growing. Here are some of the best vegetables that thrive in containers. First, lettuce and salad greens. Varieties like loose-leaf lettuce, spinach, arugula, and mesclun mix are ideal. They have shallow roots, grow quickly, and can be harvested repeatedly. Second, radishes. These fast-growing root vegetables require minimal space and are ready for harvest in just a few weeks. Third, bush beans. Unlike pole beans that require extensive trellising, bush bean varieties are compact and productive in containers. Fourth, carrots. Choose short and sweet, or thumbelina, varieties for containers, as they need less depth. A deep container is still beneficial for good root development. Fifth, peppers like bell and chili. Many pepper varieties are naturally compact and produce abundantly in pots, especially when given full sun. Sixth, herbs. Almost all herbs, including basil, mint, rosemary, thyme, parsley, and cilantro, are excellent for containers. Mint, in particular, should always be grown in a container due to its aggressive spreading habit. Seventh, cherry tomatoes. While larger tomato varieties can be grown in very large containers, determinate cherry tomato varieties are particularly well suited for pots, offering a continuous harvest. Look for patio or bush types. Eighth, Swiss chard and kale. These leafy greens are not only nutritious, but also visually appealing with their vibrant stems and foliage, making them a great choice for ornamental edible arrangements. Ninth, eggplant for dwarf varieties. Certain dwarf or compact eggplant varieties can be surprisingly productive in a large container. 10th, strawberries. While technically a fruit, strawberries are perfect for hanging baskets or tiered planters, providing delicious treats with minimal fuss. Beyond specific plant choices, here are the top 10 inspiring ideas for setting up your stunning container vegetable garden, each with a bit more detail. 1. Tiered herb tower. This utilizes vertical space efficiently and creates a beautiful, aromatic display. Use a tiered planter, stacking pots, or even DIY a tower from repurposed crates. Plant different herbs on each level, ensuring proper drainage for each tier. This is perfect for a kitchen patio or small balcony, providing fresh herbs right at your fingertips. 2. Repurposed pallet garden. Transform a discarded wooden pallet into a vertical garden. Attach fabric pockets or small planters to the slats, filling them with shallow-rooted vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and radishes. Paint the pallet for a more polished look or leave it natural for a rustic vibe. This is an incredibly cost-effective and space-saving solution. 3. Hanging basket tomato cascade. For those seeking a unique display, plant determinate cherry tomato varieties in large hanging baskets. As the tomatoes grow and ripen, they will cascade over the sides, creating a stunning and delicious spectacle. Ensure the baskets are securely hung and can support the weight of the mature plants and fruit. 4. Galvanized tub salad bar. Use a large vintage galvanized tub as a shallow salad bar. Drill drainage holes in the bottom and fill it with a mix of various loose-leaf lettuces, arugula, spinach, and even some small radishes. The wide, shallow container provides ample room for these greens, and the rustic look of the tub adds significant character. 5. Window box wonders. Don't underestimate the power of a window box. Fill them with a rotation of quick-growing edibles like herbs, compact peppers, or miniature carrots. These are perfect for adding greenery and fresh produce right outside your kitchen window, making harvesting incredibly convenient. 6. Containerized berry patch. While many berries are sprawling, varieties like bush blueberries in acidic soil, dwarf raspberries, and most strawberries thrive in large containers. This allows you to control their specific soil needs and protect them from ground pests. A cluster of berry bushes in attractive pots can be a beautiful and productive addition. 7. Determinate tomato and basil duo. A classic combination for a reason. Plant a determinate tomato plant in a large pot, at least 15-20 gallons, with a few basil plants at its base. The basil benefits from the shade of the tomato, and both plants are excellent companions, potentially deterring some pests. Plus, fresh, tomato and basil are a culinary delight. 8. Stacked tire herb garden. For a truly unique and eco-friendly approach, repurpose old tires into a stacked herb garden. Clean and paint the tires if desired, then stack them in an offset pattern, filling each opening with soil and different herbs. This creates a visually interesting and practical multi-level garden. 9. Mobile vegetable cart. If you need flexibility with sunlight or want to easily rearrange your garden, consider a mobile cart or wagon. Place various sized pots of vegetables on it, such as peppers, eggplants, and bush beans. The wheels allow you to move your garden with the sun or to shelter it from adverse weather. 10. Vertical planter wall with mixed greens. Install a series of wall-mounted vertical planters or a prefabricated vertical garden system. Fill each pocket with a diverse array of salad greens, including different colored lettuces, Swiss chard, and kale. This creates a living wall of edibles that is both beautiful and highly productive, perfect for maximizing a small patio or balcony wall. Establishing a container vegetable garden is an empowering way to embrace gardening regardless of your available space. It offers convenience, control, and the immense satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh, healthy produce. By selecting appropriate plants, utilizing creative container solutions, and applying thoughtful design principles, you can transform even the smallest area into a flourishing edible landscape. We hope this comprehensive guide inspires you to embark on your own container vegetable garden journey. Remember, beautiful design and bountiful harvests can go hand in hand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips on cultivating beauty and functionality in your home and garden. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. What are your favorite vegetables to grow in containers? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening!